Let's disassemble and see what we can do. Okay, so I fixed this battery before and I put a new board in it because all the board have corrosion everywhere. That's why I put that tape, but they say it's bad again, so let's see why. Let's check some voltages. 4 volts, it's not bad. Here we have 8 volts, 14 volts, 12 volts, 6 volts, 6 volts. Okay. So I will need to solder this. I see no corrosion in the board, so I don't think the board is bad. Board is out. The board is good. See no signs of corrosion or something. Now I want to check these batteries. I want to see if they are good. Okay, nice. Let me see if some cells are bad. Ah yeah, this is the new ones that I put before. I put these two. These are new, so I think this is going to be bad. Yeah, we're good. Not bad. Bad. Not bad. Huh? Okay, so I think this one is bad. Let's see, let me check again. Corrosion over here. When you saw corrosion on these cells, it is because they got water and they are not good anymore. It's always no, but I don't think this is bad, but I will remove it and test it alone. It doesn't seem that it's bad, but when you saw some over here, you have no corrosion. It's very good. Over here you saw some corrosion. When you saw corrosion, it means that is not good, and you need to replace that cell. So here is the bad cell. Here you don't have a lot of corrosion, but over here, very bad corrosion. I don't think that the other one is bad, but I will remove it because they aren't serious and... Okay, so I have here new charge batteries. Let me test them. Okay, they are good. So let's put the new ones. It's like this. So it's like this position and this position. Okay, I need to remove this. I will try to grind this stuff over here. It will be difficult to solder this when you have this stuff over here. So I need to sand this. If you do this, do it careful. Don't heat up the batteries too much because it can damage them and it's not good. Okay. Put the finger to see if the surface is flat. I think it is, so it's good. So now I need to solder these cells. I have here my spot welder and I will do that right now. I have here this nickel and that I will use. These have the right measures. I can put the link in the description of the video if you want. That's it. Let's go solder this. So it's all soldered right now. I need to solder here one more stuff like this to solder on the board. Let's go do this. I think right now it's all good. It's a good solder. It's all very well soldered. So I will solder to the board and let's see if it fixes. I need to this just come off, so I need to solder a new one. Okay, I think right now it's good. I need to put it to charge. So I have here the other one. Let's disassembly. So again, let's check if the board is have corrosion. I don't see any corrosions in the board, so the board must be good. Let's see some voltages. Let's check if the fuse is good. Okay, the fuse is good. So let's check some voltages. Three point 68, 10, 14, 11, and 7. So I think one cell is bad again. Let's do the same stuff. Desolder the board and check the cells. So I removed the board already. Let's check if the cells are good. Okay, I don't think this cell is good. I have a corrosion over here, so I will check some voltages. 3.62 is good. 362 is good. 3 is good. It's good. It's good. It's good. Huh? 0 volt? No. What is happening here? 0 volts? What? Let me check here first. Zero volts, this cell. Checking here. 365 is good. This one is good too, but this here over here, 50 volts. Okay, this is doesn't look like it's bad. Let me check here. Volts. And here 355. 355. I will remove these cells and let's check if they're good or not. So guys, I removed the cells. These cells are the ones who is giving me 0 volts reading, that are in here. So I removed them and they still give me 0 volts. 0 volts, look at this, 0. Completely dead cells. So they are garbage. These ones are the ones I removed from here. Okay, let's check if they are good. The one who have the corrosion, it's good. 360, it's very good, very good. So okay, these ones are good. The other ones are not good. So I have here two new cells. Let's check if they are good. 4 volts. 4 volts, they are good. Okay. And now I need to solder them in here. Just one more thing, guys. When you are soldering the cells, you need to be careful with the position, because the position alternates, okay? You have two negatives with two positives, and they are soldered like that, okay? I have made a model so I can look at this and never made a mistake of soldering in the bad way, because it can damage the cells and it can give short circuits and something, so be careful. So guys, it's the same process. You need to sand this down until it's flat, and then spot solder this, okay? So okay, when it's already soldered, I need to put just one more stuff like this, solder on the board. Okay, let's do the other one. Okay, so this one is soldered too. Now I just need to solder this one and solder the parts we will solder to the board, and that's it. Okay, so all the screws are in. This is working. We have two lights in there. I need to put it to charge like the other one, and then I will, if they are good, I will finish the video. So guys, I have here the Makita battery charger. I have here the two batteries that I fixed. Let's see if they charge. Okay, they're charging. Okay, this is working. Now let's try this one over here. This one don't have this button. Okay. The plastic of the button. And it's working too. Okay, if the batteries are not good, they will show the two LEDs. Okay, so it's charging, it's good. So now I have here my Makita tool. I will try if they are working. Okay, they are working. Okay, now let's try this one. It's working, but I think it's discharged. Just a week. I will try to put it in charge and see if they're good. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.